Help fix the car. Turn him around. Ty, that's not going to work. Do forward. You're going backwards. It can't go uphill. There he goes. It's okay. What's he getting stuck on over there? Beep, 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 beep. Make him go forwards. There he goes. All right, go twist the crane. There he goes. Easy, easy. Watch your fingers. Say no, no, Lexi. We'll have to scream. Why don't you get her a book off your bookshelf she can look at, and then she'll want to see the book. Grab a book real quick. It's okay. Quick, quick. Grab a book. Grab a book. Quick, quick. Say, here you go, Lexi. Oh, Ty. Easy.
What is this? What are these go?
You gotta find a couple more spots. There's one right over here.
Okay.
Careful. Okay, be easy. Here, we gotta twist this. Okay, go forwards. Forwards, this way. Try again. There he goes. Are you ready to get out of there? Ty Bear. It's okay, honey. Just fix the chair. Or fix the car, I mean. Say no, no, Lex. It's stuck over there now? Oh, because you're trying to go backwards. You got to go forwards. Push the other arrow. There you go. You okay? Other way, silly. Ty, other way. Other way. Whoop! She gave it a little push. See, she helped you out. Alright. You ready to go downstairs, Lex? Get a snack? Ty, you ready for snack?